Welcome to another CATIA video. This will be regarding adding corners to multiple selection at the same time. So I will define a polygon over here. I will center that within the origin. And afterwards, I will set the radius to be 50 millimeters, the angle 0. And afterwards, we can specify the number of sides. So in this case, I will go for 12. We're gonna see that this will be the original sketch. Now, in order to add corner to multiple elements, we can select the corner feature over here. The sketch tool will be extended, so we have all the trimming options over here. I will go for 3 more elements, and what we have to do now is to do a rectangle selection to grab all the corners that we want to change the radius for. And afterwards, if for example I will press tab and I will add a radius of 15. Afterwards, I will press enter. We're gonna receive that do we want to confirm this modification. I will select yes 2 times, and all of those corners will be rounded with a specified value of 15. And this is how the surface will, how the model will look with a pad. And we see that all those rounded corners are embedded within the sketch. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful. I will position a similar video on the left side. I will add CATIA V5 tips and tricks to the top. And I will also position a subscribe button over here to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.